Dito eh. Hindi ako ngayon. Maraming ginagawa. Sige tol, kami na lang next time. Ingat tol ah. Sige, salamat. I am a Bosconian, a man of character. I fight for what is good and right.